Welcome to Transwest Truck Trailer RV. We're at the Newmar Country Club rally at the Pueblo, Colorado Fairgrounds. My name is Chris Capper. I work out of the Transwest Fountain, Colorado store. If you'd like to call me about anything, you can reach me at 813-333-2988. And today we're going to be talking about the 2025 Newmar Baystar Sport. Class A, it's the 3016 floor plan. This is a brand new floor plan for Newmar, and I'm really excited to show it to you. I'd like to get a couple things out first. This right here is their baseline model. This competes with a lot of Class A's out there, but I just want to tell you what is different about this right here. First and foremost, this is on the Ford F53 chassis. It is the 22,000 pound chassis, and they have upgraded axles on this, so you're going to get a real solid ride. This is a BASF Masterpiece paint finish. The same people who make the $1.8 million King Air also make this. This paint right here is the same paint that they're using on this, and specifically this is the Midnight Graphics paint job right here. This is a brand new paint scheme for Newmar, and I think it looks really sharp as you're looking at this. So would also like to point out on this is that all the other coaches that you're looking at are going to be a laminated sidewall. This right here is going to be residential sidewall, so it's built just like your house. So you're going to get at least there's two types of insulation in here just to keep you warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. So this really blows away their competition. So moving back here, just going to do a real quick look around. We are at the rally, so we're a little tight right here, so just please excuse our mess. We've got our 2,000 watt Xantrex inverter, which is really exciting. Now this right here, we've actually opted in to get the 6 volt batteries there, so you're just going to get a lot more power with that. And you'll notice that this right here, I can pull this cotter pin out and bring that out, so it makes replacing those easier for you or your mechanic or technician. Looking in here, you'll notice that you got a nice bay right here, but you also have a little bit of space above that. So if you have any longer products that you need to put in there, fishing poles or whatnot, you can fit them in there. Each one of these you're gonna notice they are insulated. Looking down here, a little bit more space as well. Here's our tank. This has a Cummins Onan Quiet Gas 5500 generator, which is best in class. A lot of people are just putting the 4,000 watts, but this is a 50 amp coach, so we've upgraded that. And so here's our potable water tank right here, and you've got a little bit more space, so you can actually see through to the other side around that tank, and you'll see that tank kind of fits in a almost like a horseshoe saddle fashion around that. And what that does is it keeps your weight centered and lower. Nice new rear setup here. This new fiberglass, I don't know if you can see all this right here. Of course, Newmar is always going to use frameless windows on this, but this just looks super sharp. You can see all the pilot lights up there. You got your HD camera back there with night vision to help you with your parking. And so over here, I'll kind of get out of the way so you can swing around here. You can see we have our automatic transfer switch. It has a reverse polarity protection on there, and you can see the other side of that potable water tank. So just more space to stow. That's where your connections are. We've got our black tank sewage rinse right there, fresh water connection, freshwater fill valve. You can, once you're connected to your city, you can just pop this up and fill your tanks from there. So it makes it a lot easier before you're taking off to go. Your sewer tank just can drain right through here and just pop that open. Keeps it protected while you're driving. Newmar makes everything really easy. So with this right here, we've got our winterization. So this makes the winterization super easy. You just pull that out, winterize it. Everything's connected through here. Our water pump's right back there. Newmar's tagline is "When you know the difference." And Newmar is a company that's been in business since 1968. And they've got Winnebago backing them, which is a really great, marriage between the two of them. So there's our propane tank on the driver's side. Makes it very easy to access. Side view cameras right here. We've got the diamond shield right here, DuraShield, which is basically it's a paint protection film, and what that's going to do is just minimize any rock chips coming and messing with this beautiful masterpiece BASF paint finish. Bonded windshield right here, big windshield, because when you're camping, you want to see where you're at, right? Whether you're in the mountains of Colorado, where my home is now, or the home where I grew up in Tampa, Florida, beach, mountains, whatever it is, you want to see it. So if you'd like to join me up here, oh, excuse me, sir, we're doing a live film. We are at a show. Newmar Country Club Rally member, excited about our new offering. And so I'm going to start putting this, actually I'll let you get an idea what this slide looks like when it's in. You can notice that you can still access the bathroom, the refrigerator, cooking, and the rear bed. Newmar invented the slide back in 1988, put it on their first fifth wheel product in 1989, and their first motorhome in 1994. Believe that Newmar has the best slides in the industry, the fewest amount of problems with them. And you'll notice this full wall slide, it really opens up the space in here pretty significantly. And what you're looking at in here, this is called the Stowe Decor. Now you can option this for a two-tone cabinets now. That is a new option for 2025, which is pretty sweet. So this is the stone decor here, the chiffon maple, Swade. So Swade, they don't do matte anymore. This is Swade, is kind of an upgrade from that. It feels really luxurious. I'm gonna put the bed slide out here. A few other things that we have with this right here, like I mentioned, we upgraded this as the two 13.5 air conditioners with the 50 amp service and the 5.5 kilowatt own-in generator. We also have optioned this particular unit with the Starlink internet system. So no matter where you're traveling, you should be able to access that system and get full download speeds on that. That is a new option that you can get installed at the factory. We also have the Wi-Fi Denali Spruce on this, the WiFi Razor auto antenna, which is pretty sweet. So another thing, this option, so this is the 3016. This is a new floor plan. 3014 was the #1 selling floor plan for Newmar. This one right here is a 3016. We think we made a few improvements. We're hoping that this is going to be the new bestseller. And what you'll notice here is this is a king bed. So we've got our windows on both sides of that bed, so you can get a little cross ventilation across from the window that's in front of you. And then, of course, Newmar's going to finish everything nicely. So thick wood right here, nice pneumatic pieces right here to hold that bed up so you can access your storage. If you have personal protection you'd like to store there. In this particular case, they have the ladder here. I usually will store that ladder right under that bed that's over the cab, which we'll get to that. That's where I'll store that one. Nice smoke mirror finishes. We have that rear window that we saw, which really just gives you an amazing view out there. But if you want to block that out, you can. So look at this cabinet space here. So several feet of cabinet space here. This is the cushion for the Dream Dinette. So if you know that you're not going to have anybody come in, or you're just going to have one or two and they can sit on that 500-pound cab, that bunk over your cab, you don't even need to bring that. So here, bunch of cabinets, drawers. So we've got 1, 2, these are a little bit wider. So we've got 5 drawers right here, and then our audio visual spot. So you can put your, if you want to put a satellite on here, you can. We can put your satellite box in there. You can put whatever you like to stream on, because if you have the Starlink, you can probably do some streaming with this. We have a bedroom high-def Samsung 4K television. And then we're moving into the kitchen now. So we have a 10 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator. Norcold is known in the industry as being one of the top providers of refrigeration. And they've been in the industry for probably longer than I've been alive, and I'm 52 years old. So massive microwave oven right there, so you can do whatever you really need to on here. 3 burner gas stove top, and then you have this oven right here. So if you want to make some pizza or whatever you want, you can do it right here. Everything is super easy by just clicking this over, and that'll help ignite your propane. So nice place for your dishes and pots, or your pots and pans and dishes there. And then just get a quick opening. So you got a little bit of space back here. You got easy access to your water lines, and right there is your water heater. So very easy to access that if you need to from the inside. And then and you get a little storage space there. So here we have our drawers. You'll notice that because this is not like most other coaches where it's just naked fiberglass, this right here is got that BASF Masterpiece finish. We have all of our color coding here and touch-up paint. If you ever run out of here, you have this, but if you lose it, it's going to be on your sheet, but you can also find it in here. You'll also notice here, this is this extra Starlink stuff for you. This is where all the manuals are. You don't really need all those manuals as much as I recommend reading the manual, because you have Noogle. So you can go on Newmar, it's like Google, you put in your coach number and you can pull up everything in there. This is our pantry right here. So lots of pantry space right there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves that you can put all the food that you need to in there. Right under here, you got some more space. And then what I'd like to point out here is that this is all Corian. We're not using any of that cheap stuff. This is real Corian. You can see how pretty the speckles are in here. Nice beveled edge on this. And again, this is going to be the Stowe decor that you're going to find this in. You can see right up here, these are all the different decor options that you have. So this is the Stowe. We've got Arlo and Vista. Okay, so got more space in here. And so besides the new graphics, the option for the two-tone decor in here and the king bed, this 3016 differs from the 3014 because we have swapped these right here. So I'm gonna just switch spots with you so it's a little easier to see, I think, because we're going to transfer up to here. But here we have a nice family dinner table that you can sit down, you can relax, you can eat dinner, you can watch breakfast, you can watch whatever you want to watch on this big 4K TV here. This does make into a bed. So if you've got the king bed full, we've got this 500-pound bunk full as well, and this is belt driven. This is like so quiet and fast. So you can have 2, 4, 6 people here, and then you can also sleep 1 or 2 on that as well. So makes it really interesting. This is the Ford F53 chassis, kind of a new look on the dash right here, and this seat on this is fully electric. So 6-way electric seats. Another difference with this right here is that we do have the slide out topper on that main piece. And I almost forgot, I'd like to thank my camera guy to remind me, the bathroom. So right here is a brand new bathroom setup. We've got your regular shower head right here. This can come out so you can get everything lower high. So with these boots on, which probably give me about 2 inches, I'm probably about 6'1" in here, and you can see I have more than a hand above here, so you can probably fit 6'8" in this little bubble right here. Glass doors, nice new backsplash on this right here. huge medicine cabinet. GFCI outlet right here. More storage here, here, here. And this is kind of the V-Bus system. Shows you if there's a problem in that right there. Pretty nice. Newmar is just always innovating, top in the industry on that. And then just kind of like squeeze here. Got a lot of storage space here, place for your toilet paper, so that's out of the way. Porcelain foot flush toilet right here. And more storage here. And then right here, more storage down there as well. So there's another really cool feature on this, which is the new KIB system. So if you want to come over here, this is the new panel. So with this right here, I can get my tank levels. I can turn my water pump on or off right here. LP, black, you can see everything there. I can turn all my lights on or all my lights off. I can start my generator. I can do my setup for my auto gen start on here. I can turn the air conditioner on. Pair this. So this is what you want to do. You want to pair this with your phone, and that will pair directly to your phone, and then you can control everything in this panel with your phone. I can turn all my lights on, all my lights off with this right here as well. And you'll notice that we'll have these, you've probably seen them throughout the coach. There's a few other panels that you can access as well. This is the cockpit table. Newmar introduced this probably in 2017 or 2018. So actually I'm gonna have to get here because I don't want this to, so you pull this out and then this kind of comes out just like that. Both of these seats turn around. So now I'm not just dining for 4, I can actually dine for 6. So once again, this is the 2025 Newmar Baystar Sport 3016, brand new coach designed for Newmar. We're really excited to have that at Transwest Truck Trailer RV. We're at the Newmar Country Club rally today, and for the rest of the week, this is July 31st, 2024. We're here till August 3rd, and you can come down to the Pueblo Fairgrounds. If you're not here in time, you can meet me at the Fountain, Colorado store. We're at Transwest Truck Trailer RV. We're off of exit 128 on I-25, about a quarter mile west. You can reach me. My name's Chris Capper. My phone number is 813-333-2988. Thank you so much. Have a great day.